gonna come back?
Yeah, I'm gonna
You ready? You ready?
It's gonna be on YouTube.
You ready? Okay.
We're sponsored by YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What's your name?
J Flashy 7 on IG. J Flashy 7. I'm retarded.
Woo!
Come on.
Just here.
My foot came off.
Hey, what do you look for?
What up, YouTube? Yeah, that little clip was me dancing with Spidey out there in New York. We had fun. Barbercon was cool. So now it's back to this video. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do an Antonio Brown haircut. So firstly, it's always best to pick out the hair before you cut it, because that way, so when you blend the sides, you can also shape it up into the top instead of it all be, you know, bunched up together, if you know what I mean. So best way to do, pick out the hair first. So I'm doing the bald line. I'm doing the mid drop fade. I like those better with afro fades because it kind of makes it stand out more. That's just me though. I'm starting the bald line from the temple, kind of below the occipital bone, because I don't want to bring the fade too high and go into his afro. I'm starting off my cut with the seniors. So I have the open lever and I'm going about ½ an inch the entire way down. Just follow the bald line and keep the guideline straight. I have a closed lever right here. What I do is I flick out that bottom line. I don't really want to dig into it to make another line, so I'm just flicking out and I eventually go halfway, then close, open. I play with the lever a little bit just so I can make that blend into that open. So here I have the one guard. Same step as before, make that guideline straight and make it about ½ an inch. So if y'all do that, then it should be gravy. To blend into that one guard, I have my 0 guard. I kind of have it closed or halfway. What I'm doing is I'm kind of hitting it at an angle and I'm hitting it with the corners. It might not look like it because I'm going so fast, but it's always key to use the corners because you don't really want to like dig into that, you know what I mean, because it will make lines and you don't want to do that because hard lines, it's hard to take out. So right here I'm doing a 1.5 with the grain to take out that dark spot right there. I'm only doing a 1.5 because I know with a 1.5 it'll still keep it dark, but not too dark. It'll lighten it up because I don't want to go against the grain into the afro, so it won't make it so light, if you know what I mean. So I'm going with the grain because it lays down the hair, and I'm trying to keep it dark but not too dark. It'll blend into the afro that way. So on this step, I'm doing freehand. It's always best to be careful when you do this because you don't want to patch somebody or take so much off. So be careful with this. What I'm doing is I'm just going up and flicking out. I'm not really taking out bulks of hair, I'm just taking out little hair. So be careful with this, y'all. If anybody tries this, be careful. So I'm using my airbrush machine to apply paint to the hairline. As you can see, I don't really need it because the hairline is kind of sharp as it is, but I do use it so it can make the haircuts to stand out just a little bit more. So this video is about wrapped up. I do thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also give me a follow on Instagram. I enjoy making these videos for you guys, and I love hearing you guys' feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you guys learned. So with that being said, peace. I'm out.